Good morning. Magtsa muna tayo, guys. Ito na yung intro ko eh. Magtsatsa ako. Ipak akong konti. Solve. Pros and cons of... well, number one, yung pros, execution part. Isa yan sa pinakamagandang pros ng algo trading. Dahil automated nga yung pag-execute, of course, you don't have to be there. You don't have to be looking at the charts when it happens, di ba? The execution part also assures that you catch yung intended mong trade, di ba? And of course, being automated, it has no emotions, di ba? Kasi ganun lang naman talaga ang robots, di ba? It just follows the set of rules na sinabi mo sa kanya, di ba? Kapag na-meet niya yun, ipapasok niya yung trade na iyon. Making it very mechanical. You should have a mechanical na, ingay na eroplanong to. That's one of the secrets of trading naman, yung being mechanical on things that you do, di ba? It lowers the decision fatigue, and of course, it lowers the actual fatigue kasi you are actually off the charts. Another pro, and yung pinakamalaking pro, and yung pinakamagandang pro is the backtesting part, di ba? Sa totoo lang, ini-skip nyo yan. It's very tedious alam mo yan. Very, very, very laborsome, di ba? Biruin mo buong araw ka uupo, kanwari Sabado, Linggo, buong araw ka uupo just to backtest. Ang gagawin mo, magjo-journal ka. Yung data entry mo doon sa journal mo is hindi pa rin automated. After mo syempre, pag napapagod ka, the quality declines di ba? Most of us, alam mo naman tayo, medyo ang gusto ng mga tao dito is mabilis. And that's why we are actually hook na hook tayo dun sa mga nagsasabi na they found something, they found a great strategy because hindi sila nag-effort to sa backtesting part nila. Because another pro is connected dun sa backtesting is the optimization part. It's also automated. Of course, magbo-backtest ka, susubukan ka ng iba't ibang variations noon. So, susubukan mo yung 1:2. Mukhang okay. Susubukan mo yung 1:3. Mukhang okay din. Susubukan mo yung 1:4. Medyo tumatagilid. So, paulit-ulit mong iba-backtest lahat, di ba? Panghirap, ba? Piruin mo, isang backtest nga ng 100 trades at the past is sobrang hirap na. Uulitin mo pa yun for another variation, di ba? Although it's gonna be faster because you already marked the trades, pero, di ba? With the optimization kasi ng algo trading, you just have to set ito yung mga test parameters. I-test mo lahat ng possible na settings niyan between these parameters and bigyan mo ko ng pinakamaganda. Ilista mo. Another pro is you look at trading at a bird's eye view. That's how managers work di ba? You are actually being trained to be a trading manager, di ba? And you manage traders, di ba? Is you need to understand that every strategy can work with proper guidance, di ba? With proper optimization. Your job actually as a trader is not to enter the trade nang tingin mong yun, hindi yun yung trabaho mo talaga. Your job as a trader is to look at strategies. Yun yung parang, alam mo yan, na-skip ng iba because they think that entering a trade is the skill. No. Evaluating strategies is the actual skill ng isang trader. Uy, ang galing mo magpasok ng buy. Ang galing mo magpasok ng sell. Uy, ang galing mo mag-drawing sa charts. Hindi ganun yun. Wala lahat yon if you don't know the proper statistics ng strategy mo. And hindi naman yung tatanungin, magaling ka ba mag-trade? Hindi, if you are trading for a quant firm or a firm in general, or hindi nila tatanungin nyo. Ang tatanungin nila is, what is the statistics ng strategy gagamitin mo? What is the recommendation na gagamitin natin? They won't bet on a person, they will bet on a strategy. Anyway, the misconception, kasi it's very different sa manual trading, is hindi din naman. Because the trading principles that you have when you are manual trading is yun din yung sa'yo sa when you are algo trading di ba? As a manual trader, dapat alam mo nga kung ano yung characteristics ng isang magandang strategy. That's the thing that you will use when you are evaluating naman parameters for an algo trading robot, di ba? Ang kaibahan lang talaga nung manual trader and yung algo trader is the automation part, di ba? So kung manual trader ka, you do the data entry, you do the data gathering, you do the testing and execution manually, di ba? The data is ililista mo rin yun, di ba? Tapos i-evaluate mo, kailangan bang anuhin yan, ayusin, kailangan bang whatever, di ba? Algo trading, you skip the labor part and you go to the evaluation part direkta, di ba? And you can focus more on that. And dapat yun talaga yung fino-focusan mo ng energy mo baga, alam mo yun. So, parang anong lagi kong example dyan is you are a hiring manager, ganyan, and you are hiring traders, di ba? Your job actually is to look at mga performances, and quant analysis and algo trading is knowing how to look at those strategies and knowing how to look at those characteristics na that you will say na, papagkatiwala namin yung pera ng firm sa'yo.